Lahore is a stunning old city and is widely considered to be the cultural capital of Pakistan. It has gone through many transformations, and since its establishment around the 2nd century, the city has passed through many conquering hands, from Hindu, Mughal, and Persian to Afghan, Sikh and British. Part of Lahore's inner city is dotted with remnants of colonial architecture, a magnificent post office, white-pillared government buildings and a stunning Gothic-esque cathedral. The other part is dominated by Mughal architecture, with shops and eateries crammed in among the gates to the centuries-old walled city. Lahore has much of the same fantastic Moghul-era architecture as India boasts, but without the hordes of Western tourists. Tourists are still a rarity in Lahore, with Pakistan's security situation discouraging a lot of travelers. Lahore is the 2nd largest city of Pakistan with a population of more than 10 million. Being the cultural and historical hub and the art center of Pakistan, this beautiful city features marvelous sights for visitors.